If you are getting the cannot open archive error in WinRAR, yeah, that usually means the file is corrupted, incomplete, or blocked by your system. Let's fix it step by step. First, check if the file is corrupted. I mean, incomplete downloads are the most common reason this error appears. Next, re-download the file from the original source. A fresh download often fixes hidden corruption issues. Now make sure the file extension is correct. Yeah, sometimes a .zip or .rar file is renamed incorrectly, causing WinRAR errors. Next, run WinRAR as administrator. Permission issues can block archive reading. Now, try opening the file with another tool like 7-zip. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is with the archive or the software. Next, move the file to another folder like desktop. Long file paths or restricted directories can cause errors. Now, temporarily disable antivirus or security software. Yeah, sometimes they block archive access or modify files. Next, make sure your drive has enough free space. I mean, low storage can prevent archive reading or extraction. Now, use the built-in repair feature inside WinRAR. This can sometimes fix damaged archives. Next, make sure you are using the latest version of WinRAR. Yeah, outdated versions may not support newer compression formats. Now check file permissions in Windows. I mean, restricted access can block WinRAR from opening the file. Next, restart your computer. This resets system processes that might be blocking file access. If nothing works, contact the file provider. I mean, the archive may be permanently damaged. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the cannot open archive error in WinRAR and restore your file access.